Alright, silly people, here's the situation. Remember how a little while ago I was endeavoring to finish the rest of the problems out of Chapter 2 of Griffiths, um, and trying to do the computational problems that are clearly designed to be done in Mathematica in Python just because I'm stubborn and don't want to go out of my way to learn a coding system that I don't know yet and won't really ever need. It I was able to do the first couple of them just using Python, and those were okay. Um, and then I got to 259, I think is the number problem, and I realized that I am way, way out of my depth trying to do these problems in Python. And after sitting down and like trying to do 259 in Python, first of all, it requires a lot of analytic work on top of the fact that you have to code it up in Mathematica. So, I mean, there's a lot of analytic work that I just put here for it. This is what it would look like. And I even got all the way through part A. Uh, but whenever I came to part B and I was sitting down for hours and hours and hours, and it's taken me months just to get to this point um, in the code here, and I'm still having trouble doing it. I realized that I should have just been doing this in Mathematica from the start, which means I'm not going to do it yet, and probably not for a really long time, or ever, in fact. So if you're looking for good solutions on the last few problems in Chapter 2 that I haven't done, you're probably better looking somewhere else, at least for now, because I'm not about to pick up Mathematica just so I can do these last two couple problems and prove to you uh, that I can do them. I'm sure it's way easier in Mathematica, in fact, because this is ridiculous what I'm doing right here. These lines, you can't even see the rest of the lines because my face is covering them, but it's just a ridiculous bit of code that I would have to write in order to do this all in Python. Um, what does this mean for the rest of Griffiths? It means when it comes to the computational problems, I'll do what I can. I'll do the ones that I can perceivably do in Python, um, but I'm not going to do all of them. And that's just a way for me to prioritize, my work that is not just putting solutions up on YouTube. Um, way to keep me in line with that and not losing my mind and trying to do silly things like this. So, sorry about that, silly people. Uh, enjoy the rest of Griffith's quantum mechanics, though, the ones that I can actually do with it within reason. All right,